Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to be doing a video about cleaning your brushes 101. So these are the things that I use. I use Baby Johnson oil and coconut oil. You know, if you use it for your hair, it'll be great for your brushes. It helps it in the long run. So this is a mat that I bought from Marshalls. It was about like $5. It's good, it's durable. It has like the little spongy things that attach to the sink, but sometimes it does move and it's better. Here's a fun fact: as long as your brushes go unclean, you'll be spreading dirt from your face to your makeup and back to your face again. This is why it's important to always clean your brushes at least twice every 2 weeks. Here you can see that after cleaning the brush, it's all nice and clean. You test it out on the towel to make sure. This is one of my other brushes. As you see, there's a lot that's coming out. I don't really know what like every single shape or outline, whatever thing is called, but you know what, it works for your brushes. It's really good. I suggest everybody goes out and buy it. Here's where I'm putting the coconut oil. Coconut oil is good for your brushes that you use with foundation. This is my oval brush that I use with my foundation. As you see, a lot comes out because I wear foundation on a daily basis. And here, the coconut oil helps your brush, the hairs on them. It helps it so it could stay right, so it could stay good, and it's gonna last you a long time. Also, fun fact: the most important thing to take away from this lesson is that dirty brushes and sponges can lead to breakout, and it would clog your pores. Ladies, gentlemen, clean your brushes. It's so important because later on you could get acne. It don't matter, and it could really break out your face. Alright, and then after cleaning, you could always, like I said, test it out on a white surface, and you see, make sure that all your foundation or all your eye makeup, it's gone. And then here I have my beauty blender. I like to use olive oil on it. I just spray a little on it and it works good. I like to also like wash it on it, on the mat, because it helps. And you can see on the sides a little bit of foundation or concealer comes out, and you always need your beauty blenders to be safe. So you guys, honestly, just always make sure you guys clean your brushes, clean your beauty blenders. Sorry if I started slowing down because I was watching 13 Reasons Why again, like the ending. Anybody, come on. Everybody who's on this show, let me know your comments down on the comments below. Let me know who's ready for season 2. Oh wait, fun fact. Sharing your brushes with anybody else can be really bad for your skin, causing infections like pink eyes or herpes. Yep, don't share your brushes. Guys, be careful. You don't want to catch what somebody else has. Be safe. And those are like my 3 major brushes. Well, 3. Like, what was it? I think it was like 6 major brushes that we should always be washing, cleaning. Like I said, guys, I wash my brushes every 2 weeks at least. Well, I try to run out of brushes so I could clean them all together and just let them dry, like in a room temperature, or I heard that some people you could let it dry outside, which is really great too. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. See you guys next week. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and clean your brushes. Bye.